Hey Anderson, can you say sister? Say sister. Sister. That's right. One more time. Sister. Hey Anderson. Sister. What do you think of your new name that he calls you? Sister. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I still see you. Anderson, can you say, what does a sheep say? So don't let him answer. Anderson, what does a sheep say? Baba. What does a doggy say? Oh, he's too busy pulling up the carpet. So don't. I know you know, silly cat.